For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing crochet tutorial using Jamaican bounce hair. Right now I am just laying the foundation for her crochet, just doing the cornrows. Right now I'm just doing the section where her hair is going to be parted, and I'm going to show you guys how I do that really quickly, and then we'll move on to the crochet portion. What I like to do is I like to braid her hair like maybe like 2 inches down, and then do another parting, and then braid that parting 2 inches down, and then I do a crisscross braid, creating a nice little section of parting, so that way she can part her hair if she wanted to, or she can just wear it, you know, all falling towards her face. However you like to wear your hair, you can do it that way. So like I said, I'm just doing the second parting, and I'm just also going to be braiding that down about 2 inches, and then I will be crisscrossing both braids using the opposite parts for each first 2 inches that I have braided. And then yeah. I like connecting all my cornrow braids because I feel like it gives the most flattest surface for crochet. Always remember that in order to undo the braids, you have to find the first connecting braid, which is what I am going to be crocheting into the cornrows right now. When you find that strand, when you unbraid it, you can unravel all the cornrows. Now for her scalp, I'm going to be using this Do Grow Mega Thick Hair Oil, and just going to be applying that to the scalp because I kind of noticed that, you know, she had dry scalp because she kept itching her hair. So I just wanted to quickly go in there and just apply some oil for her, and then we'll begin the crochet. Okay, now for this crochet tutorial, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be using the Jamaican bounce hair in 26 inches in the color 1B. We always use about 3 packs of hair, most times maybe 3.5, sometimes 2.5, depending on how much hair the client has initially. So it's just depends. So just always get like 3 bags or 4 bags to be safe, and you'll be good. So I'll just be doing the regular crochet, and just gonna be doing that all through the cornrows. But when we get to the parting where we want to section off her hair, I mean where she wants to part her hair, we're gonna be doing the install a little bit different. So I'll see you guys when we crochet the part. Okay, so for the invisible method, I will be inserting the latch hook towards where the part is going to be. That's like the biggest key to doing this. You have to insert your latch hook going towards the parting, and then you pull your hair through the base. Only loop 1 string of hair and then let the other piece fall on top. So insert your latch hook, only create a knot with just 1 strand of hair. I always double knot, and then I drop the other one to fall on top. Once again, insert your latch hook, create a knot using just 1 piece of the hair, and then you're just gonna let the other hair fall on top, creating that invisible method. Now you're gonna do this all through the parting, and then for the other line of the part, once again, don't forget, always make sure your latch hook is going towards the line, that parting you want to have. Make sure your latch hook is going towards that parting. It doesn't matter what section you're on, always make sure your latch hook is going towards the parting area, and just repeat the same step all through until you've completely covered the part, and you can't see the knot at the top, okay? So when you're done crocheting the hair all through the cornrows, just take a wide tooth comb and lightly brush up the curls. We want to break those curls up because we don't want tight curls, okay? We don't want uptight curls. We want loose and fun curls and voluminous curls. So break it up with the comb. Be very, very careful because you don't want it to be too fuzzy. So just, be careful. Take a pair of scissors and frame the hair to her face. Do your best. Be very careful. Just cut lightly, piece by piece, so that way you don't do like a whole bunch of cutting and then you don't have enough hair to work with if she doesn't like it. So just cut very little, show her she likes it, she doesn't like it, ask, and then cut some more if you need to. So yeah, just be very, very careful. Just make it look good and make sure that she approves of it because what might look good to you might not look good to them. So yeah, that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I'll catch you next week on my next tutorial. Have a merry day and God bless.